Hello again, it's Woda with another video here with the Google Fundamentals training. Today we're talking about Sheets. This should be a pretty quick and easy one because we're just going to talk about how to create a new sheet or Google spreadsheet. Several different ways to do that, so I'm going to show you all of those, and you can just pick your favorite one, and that's how you can do it from now on. My favorite way I'm going to show you first is just to start in Google Drive, which is where I'm at right now. You pick a folder that you'd like for it to exist in, and then you just click New, Sheets, and that'll open it up. Or if you like, if you just put your mouse down here in the white space down here, and then right click, and you can hit Google Sheets there, and that's going to create you a new one. So that's one way to do it. Another way to do it, if you want to do it from Google Sheets, you just go to sheets.google.com, or from the waffle over here, that'll take you to it too. From here, you'll be able to look through some templates, perhaps. There's a template gallery, so maybe that's helpful to you. There are different templates for different kind of ideas that you're doing. Or if you just want to start a blank one, you click right there. I'm going to choose this gradebook. Click that, give it a second, and boom, there you are. It's already got it started for you, and you can just kind of fill in the blanks. So that's kind of cool if you're looking to use templates. One last way I want to show you to do it, and this is kind of a new thing, and I'm digging it. You just go to sheets.new, and it will take you to a blank spreadsheet. Now, the only disadvantage to the last two ways that I showed you with going through sheets.google.com or sheets.new is you're going to have to organize this into the folders that you want it to go into. Otherwise, it's just going to put it in your My Drive, right? It'll just be kind of down through here. So there's that gradebook that I just created. You can see it just plopped it right down in there. So you'll always have to remember to go back to your Google Drive under My Drive, and then move that, drag and drop it, or move it however you want to into the other folder. So hopefully that was helpful. Quick video there just to kind of show you how to create a new Google Sheet. As always, if you need to get a hold of me, I'm on, you can get me through email or through Google Chat at wodajr@collins-cc.edu, or on Twitter at Mr. Woda. Have a great day. Bye.